Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone. And in this evening's video, what I have for everyone is my full review of the Lamshaw braided nylon sports band for the CMF Watch Pro 2. Now, I've been using this band for the CMF Watch Pro 2 for about a week. I'm a little bit shy of a week. I decided to record this video early. Y'all can see as of the recording of this video, it's Saturday the 7th of September. And I did the unboxing of this one last week, Sunday. So we're recording this one about a day early, give or take a couple hours. But I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on this band, and that's what I'm going to share with everyone in today's full review. So hopefully by the end of today's full review, you guys and gals will know if this third-party watch band for your CMF Watch Pro or your CMF Watch Pro 2 is worth picking up. Real quickly before we dive into this evening's video, I'm going to do some housekeeping and then we're going to dive right in. So, recording this video here this evening, I am using the main camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. This evening's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, but I am using my professional studio lights here this evening as well, so please let me know how you feel about the overall video quality, as well as how you guys and gals feel about the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your guys and gals feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, if this video piques your guys and gals interest, all the links as to where you can pick up this band for the CMF Watch Pro or the Watch Pro 2, as well as all of my other recommended bands or the CMF Watch Pro itself, will be available down below in the video description, along with all of my extended coverage on all of the CMF products that I've been able to cover on the channel. Down below in the video description will contain affiliate buy links, so if you decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost for you guys and gals. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's dive into today's video. Now I'm gonna summarize this video into three distinctive categories. We're going to talk about the positives and the negatives of this watch band. Then I'm going to give my overall final thoughts and make an overall recommendation, and we're also going to talk about the overall pricing and availability of this watch band. Alright? So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys and gals will know everything that you need to know about this third-party watch band. Alright? So that being said, let's dive right in. Starting off with the positives. I do feel as though the overall fit and feel of this watch band is top notch in my opinion. Now this material feels great on my skin. This breathable, braidable nylon material feels great on my skin, and I was able to get a nice, comfortable fit. So I'm easily able to wear this for any activity that I want to wear this for. Whether that be strenuous activities like working out or any type of exercising, or even the most casual or relaxing activities like sleeping, or laying in my bed reading audiobooks or listening to audiobooks. I can do anything I want to do with this watch band and not get any wrist fatigue and any scarring on my sensitive skin or rashes. And that is beautiful for me, because with this perfect fitment, I gotta be honest with y'all, most of the time I forget that I even have a watch on my wrist. So the overall fit and feel of this watch band, in my opinion, is top notch, and it is extremely comfortable for extended wearing sessions. Alright? So that's positive number one right there. Okay? Positive number two would have to be the overall price and availability that this watch band is available for. It is actually available for a really great price. Okay? And then positive number three and this is probably the last positive, I do really like this adjustable nylon Velcro material, because I can legit adjust it to any fitment and then lock the nylon in, and it fits perfectly no matter where I put it. And I actually put it on the loosest setting, and it doesn't strain my wrist at all. So I really do like the overall build quality and design on this one, especially the inclusion of the nylon Velcro material, because you can literally Velcro it in any position and you're good to go. Okay? And then along with that, this is super easy to clean as well, especially after extended strenuous workouts. This breathable material, you just wipe it down with some disinfected wipes or some disinfected cleaner, and you lay it out to dry, and it's good to go. And I gotta show y'all, let me just show y'all real quickly. I have not been taking it easy with this watch at all. Let me pull up some of my workouts for y'all, just so y'all know I'm not playing around. Okay? Now, I work out 3 times a week, but I've gotten in the habit of exercising on my stationary bike and the treadmill that I just picked up from a really good friend of mine every day. Alright, so I work out every day except for Saturday and Sunday. You know, Saturday is the Lord's Day, and Sunday is a day to, you know, clean up, get the house together, get everything together, get laundry done. But every other day of the week, I'm doing some type of workout activity. And I gotta show y'all right here as it loads my GPS data as I'm trying to show y'all in the video. Alright, CMF, see, this is what I'm talking about. I gotta show y'all right here. You can see I have not been taking it easy on any of these workouts. And the last one I did just yesterday was about 43 minutes or so. Okay? And I gotta tell y'all, when I'm doing cardio, okay, I actually sweat a lot. Okay, I have this philosophy, man. If you're not sweating, you're not working. Also, if it's not burning in that good way, then you're not working. So you have to be breaking a sweat, and you have to really be feeling it in your muscles. All right. If you're working out and you know you get up about 5 seconds later and I'm cool, you didn't do anything. Okay. When you're working out, you gotta be sweating. You know, you got to get up and you got to feel that burn. You got to be like, ooh, yeah, we did it. Okay, then you go on to the next exercise and you can go on to the next set. All right, so I have not been taking it easy with the CMF Watch Pro 2. And I got to say, this watch band right here is pretty much perfect for what I do on a daily basis. Okay, and like I said, it is extremely easy to clean. And with the amount of sweating that I'm doing with it, that is a must. So again, the overall build quality and design is top notch in my opinion. And that, guys and gals, basically summarizes all of the positives of this third party watch band. Okay? Now I'm going to quickly jump into the negatives. Alright? And realistically speaking, when I talk about the negatives of this watch band, there's only 2 that I came across. Negative number 1 being the first initial installation of the band. It was very cumbersome to get this band to hook on to the actual unit of the CMF Watch Pro 2. Okay, it took me a lot of time, and that's because this type of material, especially with the quick release pins, if you check out the unboxing, it's a little cumbersome. It gets in the way of hooking it onto the main unit. Okay, so I do feel as though the overall installation process and ease of installation for this watch band needs to be improved. And as y'all can see, I said it in the unboxing and first impressions, I did put this on upside down, but it doesn't matter. It still works the way it's supposed to, but it kind of irks me that every time I look down at my wrist, I'm not reading this slogan in the proper orientation, but it is what it is. Okay? So the overall ease of installation does need to be improved. And then I gotta say, putting the watch band on and taking it off on a daily basis is very, very difficult for me. I'm going to throw up some B-roll for you guys and gals to check out. And I think that's because of my disability and my dexterity issues. I do wish this watch band was a little bit easier to put on and take off. Okay? But again, that could just be me and my disability and the dexterity issues that I do have. Alright? And I've also found that this particular watch band, I can't have it at its loosest point and slide it off and on. And like I said, I do not shower with my smartwatches. Okay, so I do have to take it off when I'm showering and getting ready, and then putting it back on. It's kind of a little bit of a struggle for me. So I do wish that was a little bit easier as well. Okay. So that goes over the negatives that I've experienced with this watch band in my time with it. Now let's move on to the final part of this review. Now quickly before we move on, I do want to say disclaimer, as I always do. I am not perfect and I never claim to be, and I will have a full list of the positives of this watch band thrown up in post, as well as a full list of the negatives of this watch band thrown up in post. So please feel free to pause the video wherever you see the list that you're interested in if you would like to read up and know more. And that being said, if you decide to pick up this third-party watch band for your CMF Watch Pro or Watch Pro 2 and you experience a positive and or a negative that I did not mention in this video, please leave that down below in the comments, because as always, providing our feedback is very important. And as I said, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if you experience a positive that I did not experience, or you experience a negative that I did not experience, providing that feedback is very important, because we all use our devices and products differently. Okay? Disclaimer done. Let's move on to the final part of this video. So now let's get into sharing the overall pricing. Let me get into sharing my overall final thoughts and make overall recommendations. All right. So in terms of the pricing, I actually picked up this Lamshaw band with another Lamshaw band, and I paid just over $31 for both of them. I believe the final price came up to about $31.01. I'll have my full digital receipt thrown up in post, as I always do, because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here and showing my work. Okay? But that being said, this particular Lamshaw band, this braided nylon sports breathable nylon band with Velcro strap, is available for $18.99. So this particular portion of that full price, you can basically call it $19 if you want to round it off and make it easy. Okay? And that price that I just quoted y'all was with taxes included. All right? So without taxes, it's going to be $18.99, or you can just round it off to $19 to make it easy. And I got the black variant of this band. Okay? But now, real quickly, let me load up Amazon here and let's check the live listing. So let me go into my orders. Let me go into the Lamshaw nylon band here and let me click on it. And let's check the live listing here. Let me let this load up. Okay. So yeah, this particular band comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. Okay. And those colors are black, black cross. So that's like black with orange highlights. Then we have cross green, which is like a military green with orange highlights. Then we have orange and black, which they call cross orange. That one actually looks really, really nice. Reminds me of the Apple Watch Ultra band. Okay, that one looks really, really nice. And then we have what is this, gray? Okay, and that's like gray with an orange highlight. Then we have another green, which they're just calling green. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we have orange, which is basically orange and black. Really, really good stuff. Okay, I'll throw up some B-roll of the colors so y'all know the colors. And in terms of the pricing, it's going all the way from $18.99 all the way to $20.99. So essentially, you can say $19 to $21. All right. And just so y'all know, The black cross is $19. Okay. The black is $21. The cross green is $21. The cross orange is $21. The gray is $21. The green is $19. And the orange is $19. Okay, so depending on the color that you decide to go with, the prices do vary. But again, the color that y'all seeing in today's video, this one was $19 or $18.99. And I gotta be honest with y'all, giving y'all my opinions of the overall colors. I do like that black. All right, and I also like that cross green, but I also like the regular green and the orange. And again, I do like the cross orange because it reminds me of the Apple Watch Ultra Band. I like that. Okay, so honestly, I can recommend any or all of these colors depending on which color you like, but I am really, really happy that I picked up the black because I think black goes with just about anything. All right, so with that being said, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this third-party watch band for either your CMF watch or your CMF Watch Pro 2? I'm going to have to say yes, yes indeed. And I got to tell y'all, this particular watch band has spoiled me so much that I'm actually going to have to go out there and get a similar style of watch band for my Apple Watch SE first generation, because this is the type of ease of use that I'm talking about, man. Yes, I'm definitely gonna have to try and find one of these watch bands for my Apple Watch SE first generation. Okay, it did way too much of a good job, so now I have to do it. But with that being said, if I was unclear, can I recommend this third-party watch band right here? I'm gonna have to say yes, yes indeed. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. I hope everyone found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help me out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I do try my best to publish my videos across all the social media platforms. And if you follow me across all the social media platforms, which I'll have linked up down below in the video description, you should be guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great evening. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Oh yeah, man. This combination right here is now my all-time favorite combination with my iPhone and the CMF Watch Pro 2. Yeah. And I gotta be honest with y'all, this type of battery life, which I'm gonna talk about in the full review, this type of battery life is making it really hard for me to go back to my Apple Watch SE first generation. We're going to talk about that in another video. Have a good one, everyone. We're out of here, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.